Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here. I figured I'd go live right now because I'm having, I don't know about you, but I'm having just as much fun as a lot of you are right now watching these markets. GameStop, $201 a share right now, up 36 bucks. I can't tell you why. I can't tell you, who's doing it. I'm just telling you it's moving, and I'm happy to see it. I'm happy to report it. I was just watching a couple other things and trying to figure out information for you on what the heck is going on, and I can't tell you. I can't really give you the details. All I know is that it's around 200, hit 201 here already. The high of the day, 201.97. Volume on GameStop, excuse me, volume now is 5.6 million, which is, incredibly high compared to lately. Not incredibly high all time, but it's good. We've got AMC up to 41.22. It's up 444. It kind of caught the wave after GameStop caught the wave. This is not a. It doesn't appear to me to be a AMC led run with GameStop trying to catch up to it. Looks like GameStop is running ahead of AMC. I'm just noticing too the actual percentage gains. GameStop is up 19.7% right now, where AMC is up 11.2. So AMC is still behind the mark. But GameStop is running, and I'm a happy guy to see it. I'm such a shill. Yeah, I'm such a shill. I'm a promoter for GameStop. What can I say? Yeah, I'm paid by the brokerage firms to be here. Yeah. What can I tell you? Robinhood is having a good day. It's up 316. SoFi's up 40 cents to 1483. Our friends at GameStop up 33.72 to 198.61. ATIP up to 402. AMC 41.16 up 439. Matterport up 57 cents to 14.54. ME 880 up 51 cents. Fifth Wall up 49 to 12.14. Vector up 63 cents to 11.70. Spire up 43 to 8.78. And Sextera up 24 to 8.34. What a run. Even IBM is up 52 cents. Yay for IBM. Cutting us a break. The Dow's up 91 points. That's all it is. This is not a major market rally that is happening everywhere. We're really lasering in here, I think, on stocks that we follow. And it's definitely GameStop day. I have no idea on GameStop. I haven't seen a announcement. I went looking for any kind of a news announcement. Can't find one. I haven't seen one. Hey, this shill made me thousands. There you go. I'm a shill making people money. Keep it chillin', Bruce. Make us more money. There you go. Yay. Evening. Welcome, Bruce. Hello from the UK. Welcome, everybody. Not used to seeing this green. What can I say? How are those GameStop writers doing? Well, the game ain't over yet. You write them and then you wait it out and see what the market wants to give you. I wouldn't worry about it. How long since the last time we've seen such a volume? Ostis, I don't know. It's been a month or two. Has it been a month or more? It's been a while. Maybe it traded this kind of volume when they came out with their year-end financials, on the anticipation of the conference call. Remember that? Nothing much. Nothing much. Bruce, I'm lucky, man. Today, my 225 Friday GME call for 90 cents is up $738. Go, John. Way to go, John. Nice one. I haven't seen a rip like this in some time, like February, March. Yeah, I know. So glad I sold my ATIP for more GameStop. There you go. Wow, what a move. Right now, it's 198.46, up 33.57 right now. And AMC is up 464 to 41.42. It's bopping up as well. But I don't have a excuse me. I don't have a specific announcement I can give you. Anything I can tell you that will make this happen. I'm just not able to tell you. This is where we're at. This is why you don't sell covered calls on games. Yeah, you still do. You still do. You even if you wrote what covered calls, you buy those back and roll over to 210s and 220s right now. You keep writing. Oh, you never stop. You never stop. RC, please split 4 for 1. You the man, Uncle B. Thanks, Chrome Punisher. To the moon. Well, let's hope so. Again, I don't know. How much more upside is there going to be on this one today? A $15 pullback wouldn't surprise me if it went back to 183, 185. Still having a good day. It wouldn't surprise me. I'm happy to see it do what it did. I'm quite surprised to see it going in 5 trading days. 5 days ago, we were in the 155 neighborhood. 152 a share, 151 a share, just on the 19th. 5 days ago, and now we broke 200 today, without any news. No news this whole time. No one has said anything. No one is saying anything. We know the earnings are coming out next 2 weeks from now. We saw today that our friends over at Best Buy broke projections. They reported higher numbers, higher sales. They upped their projection for sales for this year. I mentioned this morning in this morning show that maybe this is a sign that GameStop is exceeding their sales counts too. Maybe sales at GameStop for the last 3 months have exceeded projections, and the numbers are all on higher. I don't know. I hope so. Let's see what happens. Announcement apes together strong. Say what? I'm about to write my first GameStop covered call in a while. If you're going to write, look at writing at 210, at 215. Bring in some nice money. Absolutely. I had a feeling you'd be on early, she says. Hi, Auntie. The ultimate shill is what I am. Do it. Buy some puts and open a few short positions. AMC ripping as well. Tuesday is Thursday. Please. Yes, please, Bruce. Glad you came on early. Carlos, it's simple, Bruce. GameStop went up because I wrote a covered call yesterday when it was $30 cheaper. Chicago definitely hates me. Brian, games is the only choice. Woo, me, moon girls and boys. And nephew, my covered call break even is 198. So the covered call strategy is not losing me any money yet, and there's still time. Exactly right. That's exactly correct. That's the thing about the writers, that you are given this time premium, a gorgeous time premium. You now use it to your advantage. Exactly right. So exciting, and no one to talk to. Bruce is the man. Would it be beneficial if they announced a split? I don't see them announcing the split at 198 a share. I don't see it. 5.9 million folks passed the average volume, which is nice to see. I think it was my green shoes. Connor, about time. I've been losing my mind waiting for you to pop on and slice through 200. The GameStop cover call premiums are juicy again. Exactly. And you want to take advantage of it, kids. Maximus, also, if you wrote a cover call, just roll it over to a higher strike price with a net credit 1 day before it expires. Well, there's that too. Exactly right. Exactly right. Yes, exciting day. Kayla, so good to see us moving here. DQ, come on, GameStop, take IBM with you, would you? Brandon, sorry guys, I was working big time to buy shares last month. Every penny extra went to GameStop. Where is the guy who sold 165 calls? How's he feeling? He'll be fine. He'll be just fine. Writing 165s and 170s is not a problem. You got a nice, big, fat, juicy premium, and all you do is you just wait it out and see how the stock wants to react going forward. You can buy them back whenever and then roll into others, but right now, do nothing. Just sit tight and do nothing. This is very easy to get out of an in-the-money covered call. No news, no announcements, and this stock, it went 20% higher in 1 day. I just got 815 for a Friday, 225 covered call. Right on, there you go. A 225 covered call for Friday, and you received 815. Nice. Cha-ching. Thank you, John Van Voltenberg. Thank you, John, for the donation on PayPal. Thank you. Just saw that pop in. Not cheering yet. Let's let this continue for a few days. What the? Hey, you're on early. Why the face? Take that 800 and buy 4 more. There you go. So crazy. No news. Bruce, I wrote a $200 covered call earlier today for $940. Is it wise to buy back and rewrite, or do I just sit tight? I don't really have the extra cash to rebuy without selling something. Just sit tight. Just sit tight. You're still out of the money. And the contract is going to shrink in value as time goes by, I would just sit tight. Yeah, don't even flinch. Price action with a visit to my favorite Uncle Hope. All are making some money today. Lando Butta DQ. When we get a big run, Uncle Bruce opens up early. Are people really asking why the price is going up? It's been a while since I was on early, like a month or so. Nice moves today. Where's the troller now? Brian Ham, 6 million volume. I don't think I can work today. It's been so long since we saw green last week. GameStop was 151. Exactly. It was 151 last week. And now here we are, 198.57, up 33.68. AMC is at 41.76, up 4.99. GameStop is higher on a percentage basis, though, right now. Don't mind me, folks. I just got to take off my sweatshirt here. Ah, it's a little cooler. See, I had my green t-shirt on underneath the whole time to keep the market the run. So, helping the market out everywhere I can for you guys. Matterport at 1463, up 66 cents. I'm happy to report that too. 1484 on your SoFi, up 41 cents. We are following GameStop, says John. It's because of the mother of all short squeezes. Stocks only go up. Why is the trucking like no news or reports? Why is it doing it without any news? GameStop ripping on a tearing, ripping and a tearing. 197 on GameStop. We did hit a high of what was it, 201.97, about not quite almost $5 from here. So it's backed off a little bit. I would expect a little back off right now. It might come back to the 190 range. We'll see how this reacts. A lot of folks are waking up to the fact that, oh my God, my stock is up. What am I going to do? There you go. Let's see, Bruce, I know you don't own stock, but where do you park your money? The mattress? It is just in the bank. We have money in the bank. We are getting ready to become nomads. My wife and I, we're going to become nomads, selling this house. And then we're on the road. First we go to Calgary, where we're from, and we're going to be there for about a month or so. And then we travel. And so we will be, just being careful. That's the thing. We got to make the money last, and still doing this on the air and hoping that you folks still enjoy what I do and renew your memberships and make lots of money. Send us a donation from time to time. We love you, and we'll just keep on going. So there it is. Has it ever gone up on has it ever gone up on news where we go down on news? If we start going lower, you're putting that shirt back on. You put that sweatshirt back on, Mr. The stock going down. We've been down long enough that I just learned that TD Ameritrade now allows you to freely sell covered calls on the site without having to call in. How about that? Bruce, I love your coverage of this stock. You are fair and share a great vision of what this company can be. I do my best. Actually, it goes down on news even more if it's positive news. Uncle Bruce stores his money in those phone amplifiers behind him. Yeah, they're all stuffed in here. Exactly. Extra SoFi picked up this week is helping that uphill battle. I don't know what that means. Moon time. It's mooning. This day is why I wouldn't risk my GameStop shares and options. Big Mike turning in to figure out what the heck is going on. Tuning in. Bruce, guide the way. It's the fourth moon coming. I suspect GameStop will get to 225 again this week and then be back at the 150, 160 in 3 weeks. No time, whatever. Great market for option writers. This is a typical for GameStop. Go GameStop, go. 198.34 right now, up 33.45. AMC at 41.91, up 5.13. The high of the day for AMC is 42.25, and it's now at 41.91 right now. Okay, and that is the dealio. 108 million volume on AMC right now. The volume on GameStop at the moment is 6.26 million. So it's good. It's certainly much better than normal lately, obviously, no question about that. But is it record setting? Not at all. And if we don't do 20 million volume, this will not hold. This will not last. It has to have better volume. Just the way the stock is, it attracts a lot of day traders and a lot of speculators. I believe we're going to retest 348. I think we'll pass this time. Well, that'd be kind of cool. Any thoughts on the what is it? Shed and Mike in this. We'd love to hear your opinion on the what and the what. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Thank you all for everything. Anyway, let's move on here. All aboard the Bruce train. AMC, baby. AMC ripping. AMC gets into this 42, 44, 45 range. Might be the perfect time to write call options against it and take in incredible premium money. Yeah, why not? Write some 55s or 60s or 65s and take in $5, $10, $15 a share and say thank you very much. And they were calling it quits yesterday. If only it would hit 300 again. My covered call for September 3 and strike 250. Why am I so scared? I wouldn't worry about it. Always so quick to give up, my man. Come and join us full time. Laughing out loud. We have 197.80 on GameStop, 42.20 on AMC, up 5.42. Matterport 14.60, 23andMe 8.80, SoFi 14.87, hanging right around the high of the day, or near the high of the day for a SoFi. The high of the day was 14.93. We're only 5 cents short. 10 million traded. Love to see the SoFi take a pop as well. Wouldn't it be fun if it popped $2 today? Oh, we'd have fun around here. Hello from Ontario. Jimmy Joe, welcome, buddy. Ryan Cohen holding the right cards. Let's see what the old brick and mortar can turn into. ICM family bits. Educated Eddie, how do you find news on the stocks you are trying to invest in? Google searches. Look at your platforms, whatever you're using to trade with. AMC will pass 50 this week. Bold predictions from the sidelines. Carlos over 200. Van 201.49 right now. Van can't wait till ANC or AMC passes hood. Maybe AMC. Jack, what's going on with GameStop? It's going up. It's going up. Any news on SoFi's bank charter? No, nothing new. Hello from Lancashire, UK. Hi. How you doing? Nice to see you. Welcome to the show. We're live early. It's going higher. 201.44. Ryan Cohen has the only royal flush on the table. That's why I hold both. There you go, Lord Brian. Way to go. 42.72 on AMC going higher. It now is approaching its high of the day, 42.72. $200.65 on GameStop. High of the day, 202.68. 201.15 right now, and we're up 36, almost $37 a share. Rob, $240 covered call. GameStop this Friday for $500. Laughing out loud. There you go. Approach. Go. GameStop. Go. How about that? Nice money to be had if you're writing contracts way up there. Ripping and roaring. Love it when this happens. This is why we hold the apes. This is why we hold. Again, it could be a combination of factors. Obviously, someone feels something is happening, feels something's going. 202.41, 203.02, new high right now. High of the day right now. Crack-a-lang. MTR is my baby. Not going to let's see it going to 125 per share in 5 years. MTTR 14.62, up 65 cents. You're near the high of the day on Matterport. 12 cents away from the high of the day on 1.1 million on Matterport. Go Matterport. So put option today was a bad idea. You can always take a look at if you wrote a put, it was a great idea. Wrote a put today. 202.68 is a high. 203.38 is where we're trading. 204.07 is where I see it. That's new high. 204 now. 204.26. 204.49 high of the day. Let's go. 203. Picking her up. Here we go, baby. ATIP to $10 by Friday. Wouldn't that be lovely? Wouldn't that be just the most lovely thing? I don't think so, but it would be nice. AMC 43.33 up 6.55. It's ripping too. GameStop now 204.26 and rocking and rolling here. A little bit of jumping coming in here. 6.6 million. Maybe some of the shorters shorting in the 150-60 ever level getting a little nervous picking it up. I don't know. Happy. I have 100 ATIP at 714 average per share. Wish I had more money to average down, but alas, life is expensive. Do you think we will get back to $10 once they fix their management? I think they'll do that and more. Yeah, I do. I think they have big plans here. Thanks for always being a good sport. I'm here for you. I'm here. John, Bruce, I know I bought that 225 option today, but it's up 878. Could and should I sell it? Just wait a little while longer. Just you might want to sell it today or tomorrow because it'll be interesting because obviously, this one you can afford to play because it's play money. What do you got into it? $25. Aftermarket today, it might take a shot. Tomorrow morning pre-market might take a shot. I don't know. Maybe the stock will still add another $10 or $20. Maybe it'll go to 220, and then you got yourself a $2,500 contract. You might want to stick around, just kind of hang out. Another play you could make is you could sell this contract, turn around and buy a contract for next Friday, which is a 210 or a 220 or a 230, but I don't know if you can get one cheap enough. This might be the way to go. Just sit right here and let this baby ride for you. 203, 204 a share, let her run. GME is special. It's rolling. So glad I bought my GameStop call back. Whew. Ryan Cohen announced as new CEO of ATIP, opening up virtual reality physiotherapy gaming. How about that? That's a good announcement. Bruce, I hold GameStop, but I don't believe in a squeeze. Is there any truth to the squeeze being real, or is it overblown? I don't. The so-called mother of all squeezes of all time. I don't think we're in that position here, but when a stock does a pop, it catches the market unaware. That's the best way to make it happen. AMC up 664. They're catching a lot of shorters over there with their pants down, probably on GameStop too. That's what's happening, but how long will it last? I don't know. Bill, damn, take a snap, wake up. The whole world is upside down. It's a bizarro world. Floating in my pool, making money. Brr. GameStop volume over 6 million. John, the SEC is coming for insider trading. Giovanni, 18% up, feels like a mini squeeze right now. It kind of looks like it done. 204.09, 203.89. The stock seems to be kind of going in steps right now. 2 up, 1 down, 2 up, 1 down. 204.47. That's where we are right now. If you've written calls, you don't have to do anything. You just sit back and let the stock do what it's doing. Just let it kind of figure itself out. There will be gyrations. We're up $39 a share on GameStop. There will be gyration. We're up 710 on AMC right now. But you got to let the market kind of catch its breath and figure out what it's doing. Right now, we're into the hype and the excitement. Welcome to the markets. This is how it goes sometimes. I'm just happy to see green all over my screen. I hope you're happy seeing green all over your screen. We're at GameStop at $204 a share, Jennifer. 204, up $39 a share. Okay, Uncle Bruce, I sold GameStop 145 calls for a $25 premium, expire 9/3. How do I play that right now? 145 calls with a 25 premium that expire 9/3. So that's in a couple weeks. Sit tight. Just sit tight. Yeah, because that's a 170 combined price, and we're at 204. Just sit tight. Yeah, don't even flinch. GameStop, go, brr, money. Wow, David, thumbs up. AMC, yes. Jeff, Bruce, loving this GameStop price action. Much love from Nashville. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Thank you for all you do. I do the best I can with what little I have. I had to buy back my 170 covered call. Wrote a 180. Had to buy it back. Wrote a 240. Laughing out loud. Keep writing. Just you got it. Rob, you're on the right track. If it pops to 400 or 500, I'm selling 10 grand worth and YOLOing January 150.55 Apple calls. There you go. I made $6 million on GameStop from the bottom to the top. Well, there you go. That's all good. Garrett, if you hear a cracking noise, don't worry. It's just the levee breaking. Hold on. 206.48 up $41.60. 208 on the stock now. 208 up $43 a share. 208, 209.06, just jumped another dollar. 209.55. It is what we call ripping. 6.99 million traded. 210 on GameStop right now. 210 a share right now on GameStop. I hope you still got that option. Didn't sell that option. Don't be selling that option. Hold the line. Just hang on. We're running. 208.89. Quite interesting, this market. I still have no news that I can tell you about. I don't have any specific announcement that came out today that would tell me why this is happening, what is happening. I just know it's a 201.01 right now. At this rate, I'll have to buy back my 240 covered call. Like butter, if it keeps on raining, the levee's going to break. Oh my freaking lordy goodness gracious. I hope you have it buy it back, Rob. Hold on, boys. Don't get happy yet. I ain't selling until it's looking like a phone number. So much for that pullback to 190. Who could doubt GameStop? Early Bruce, that's a bargain. In fact, keep writing, Rob. Margin requirements changing tonight. I don't know. Wow, green. Crickets on NBC. I've heard nothing over there. If you have the powder, DQ, I'd wait for 9.2 and then roll it over into 150.60 expiring 9.17 or 9.24 for a net credit, since the time premium will be negligible on the 145. Well, you can cover call you roll into. Well, there you go. Soon may the tendy man come. Full send, Rob. Insofar as GameStop, this is just the beginning of a mother of all short squeeze. Going to shake the foundations of the market. Lucky Rob, my 165 killing cover calls killing me right now. Just sit tight, Grommet. Power hour incoming. 207.99 hit a high here of $210.57. Volume now on GameStop is 7.2 million. AMC at 44.63 up 785. Volume of 127 million shares. That's what we got over there. Matterport 14.64 up 67 cents, near the high of the day. 8.75 on 23andMe. 14.84 on SoFi, 9 cents away from the high of the day. Let's see. Our rest in peace to the guy who said his covered calls are looking good. 200s. I'm sure he's fine. He'll be just fine. Not a worry. Yeah, I have the powder. GameStop so jacked. I'm gonna need a new shirt. Says bake. Just buy the stock. One day when the trading is done, we'll take our gains and go. Thumbs up or Yoko. Think we'll hit the halts. We haven't had any halts yet, have we? Thank you for 105 thumbs ups. I really appreciate the 105 thumbs ups you've been able to give me so far. There are 402 of you here. If any of you are able to find a way to throw a thumbs ups for this show, that would be a good thing. It would tell YouTube to send more people here to watch the show about the GameStop going up $41 a share. We have 111 thumbs ups. They're coming in right now. Now it's 126. Thank you, everybody. Hit the thumbs up button right now for me and give this show some momentum. 145 thumbs ups. Here we go. We're going to hit 200 in no time. Thank you all so much for your support of this channel. I appreciate it. Heads down, thumbs ups. Give Bruce what he deserves. He'd give him the thumb. Hey, guys, Captain Matty. Vash, what about the people, put people who here, how are they doing? I don't know. My holiness, let's confess, I still believe. I just like the stock. If the theory is true that it's going to keep climbing till next earnings, what is the best option for a 175 covered call for September 10? Just sit tight right now. Letting ads play for Bruce. Give Uncle Bruce some thumbs ups. What's up? Garrett, this is happening because NSCC 2021-010, it prevents naked shorting and failure delivers. It went into effect today, plus margin requirements were increased 25-fold. Well, I like that. Yeah, I'm fine too. My ATIP is 90%, but I'm not sweating it. I would, however, rather be in the green right now. Kev Lane, thumbs up for Bruce. Lando Butter, thumbs be given. My GameStop puts are awesome. John, dusting off my pack bags. Let's go. Meatloaf and hoochies coming, incoming. I don't know what this means. Did you see the VACQ news about NASA? Yes, we did. I did notice that, and it's up 59 cents to 11.66. That is Rocket Lab. We follow that one too. We got Spire up 45 cents. We got Sextra up 21. We got Fifth Wall up 56. We got 23andMe up 44. Scott Coleman, thank you for your donation on PayPal. Just saw it pop in here. 23andMe up 44. Matterport up 68. AMC up 8.99. ATIP up 9 cents. GameStop up 46.62. SoFi up 40 cents. Another typical day on the markets. Exit point on GameStop. Is there an exit point? Is there ever an exit point? 152.50. A naked puts expired this Friday. Easy money. What is an exit strategy? SoFi 122 call has moved up 40 cents today as well. Interesting. Going to the moon. Next earnings are what? Week of September 9th. Last earnings June 6th. Thank you, Free Thinker says anti-PC. Spire's been a champ all day. It has. What is going on? AMC, GameStop at the same time. Why? AMC 46.16 up 9.38. GameStop 212 new high right now. New high 212.96 on GameStop up $47 a share. It's wild. It's wacky. It's goofy. It's GameStop. SVT Boxer. What the hell is happening today? John Van, I'm still holding my Friday option anti-PC. I hope I don't screw this up. You just sit there, my friend. Let it go. Holy moly. GameStop 211. 212 says John. No target. Just up. Give Matterport some love. It's up 66 today. There we go. Wild faux show. Yep, we're at 212.62. 213. I just saw 213 come through on the highest trade. 214 high trade of the day now on GameStop, up $49 a share on GameStop today. Wow, holy moly macaroni. Hi, Bruce. I have a $230 covered call for GameStop expiring this Friday. I'm just losing money already on it. Can I just let it expire and buy another share or buy it back? You can do nothing right now and just let the stock run because you're out of the money and you're fine. You can wait until Friday, and if the stock is trading at 230 on Friday, it's still worthless. If the stock's trading at 235, you just buy the call back for $5 because it'll only be worth its book value on Friday. Just sit tight. We're at 212 on the stock, which is great and all, but we also have something known as profit taking from time to time, and stocks that go up $48 in a day sometimes have a little profit taking. So just kind of hang out there. John Van, are we doing it? 214 for the high. GameStop, FOMO incoming after months of wondering if I should write covered calls. Why does this happen on the day I finally do? Am I stupid or wildly unlucky? People are watching you on cameras. Every move you make, it's like you're Truman in the Truman Show. and they're watching you, and they're going to do the opposite. You see, that's what's going on. See, you just hang tough. Just hang tough. John Van, NDPC, I'm like the duck on water. Big Mike, I haven't opened my P&L in weeks. My profit and loss, finally not scared to look. It's almost green again. Martin, coincidence that both AMC and GameStop are ripping at the exact same time? I think not. Run, Hedgies, run. There's something going on. I don't know what it is, but there's something going on. 46.02 is the price on AMC, up 10.24. 214.81 on GameStop, new high right now. Just touched 215.32 a moment ago. We're up now 48.58 a share, and rocking and rolling. GameStop volume now is 7.8 million. How about that? Holy freaking moly. Woohoo. John, now I'm wondering why I sold calls on GameStop for 180. Crap. Just sit tight. My legs are running like crazy. Brian, I have 7 of Bruce's SPACs. Diversify. The red days aren't so bad. You will have green to even out. Thanks for all your wisdom, Bruce. I am out of Calgary. Get ready for the madness. 1-800-COVID over the weekend. Oh, my goodness. Derek, good gravy, Miss Daisy. I didn't get my 100 shares yet. Laughing out loud. Bill, plan B. There isn't even a plan A. Hold on. Oh, Bruce is early again. 219 on the stock. Looks like we touched 219 on GameStop. 219.90 right now. 219.90 on GameStop. 220.47. We're up $56 a share right now on GameStop. 220.53 on GameStop. 221.50 on GameStop. 222.63 on GameStop. It's going higher, and it's going higher, and it's going higher. Oh, did I mention it? It's going higher. 222.63 on GameStop. I can't tell you why. It's just going up, and it's just going up. What can I tell you? Just hold and wait. It'll pull back at some point and then buy it back so you can write new cover calls when it rebounds off that pullback. There you go. AMC 59. No, 47.64, up $10.86. GameStop 225. I just saw 225 price on GameStop. High of the day now on GameStop, $225 a share. That's a $60 gain today. B-Fits, you should do covered calls the day of short interest reporting. AMC is at 47.33. Let's see here. The mother of all squeezes. It's about time. Are calls getting exercised? No. Called a couple of weeks ago that GameStop is due for a plus $200 run. 221.88 right at the moment. 222 now. Hit of 225 already. Dumb luck is still luck, and that's way better than bad luck. There you go, John. Hang on to that call. I think that call is now worth over $2,500 is my hunch. I think your call is worth $2,500. You don't want to be selling that thing. Oh my, it's running again. 220, 365 right now. 220. I think we're doing it maybe a mini or a beginning of the month. I have 924 GameStop shares. Come on, baby. Moon for me. Go Bill for Bill. Go for Bill. Hoochie Mama. So happy I bought 100 shares of AMC on Monday. Big Mike. 221. Mother. 221, 222, 223 I see right now. 223 I see right now. How about that? Is this fun or what? Anybody having fun out there? I set my sell order for GameStop at 500. Go ahead, take me out. 223, 224, 225. I see 222 right now. 222.58. High of the day of 225 so far. What a run. AMC at 47.42, up 10.64. Seems to be topping here. What a run. 225 high of the day. No, wait, I take that back. I take 10 grand and I buy like 40 SoFi $15 calls. Dan, Bruce, where were you? Bruce, were you talking about farts again prior to this run? GameStop boosters are on. Blessings. This reminds me of the good old days back in January. We're going higher. Everything is moving right now. Sweet. Maybe the shorts know they have a reason to start recovering. How many thumbs ups do I got? I have 229 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for the 229 thumbs ups today. Keep them coming if you don't mind. Hold, no pullback. If we all hold, I hope your paper heads get burned and you walk away. Power to the holders. AMC, I knew it was going over 40 this week. AMC passing Hood. AMC right now, 46.02. Hood at 49.35. The race is on. Mohammed, what is going on with these two stocks? Which experience sets back first price? What experiences set back first? GameStop price or Bruce's energy level? Manuel is a new member of my channel, and my channel is growing yet again. Thank you, Manuel, for coming in here, becoming a member of this crazy gang of mine. I love having you. And I hope you make lots of money. Let's go, says Manuel. That's right. I'm not really worried about my 225 cover call expiry Friday, but dang, it's running. Fun. Oh, I am jacked, says Auntie. Where's the troll? Crazy energy out there. Where is that troll? Remember I mentioned about being careful selling GameStop cover calls this morning? Where's the troll? What's going to happen tomorrow? Rock on. And what caused this? I can't even type right now, says Auntie. I haven't seen a thing about it. CNBC. Anyone else? CNBC? Anything? Are they even on the air? It's not even Power Hour. Bruce, who leads the day? Gold, silver, bronze? John, I don't. I think it was a donator on PayPal. That's the leader today, the gold medal winner. I think that would be right here. Who was that again? That was John Van. John Van is the leader today, gold medal winner. Do you know John Van? John, do you know? John, do you know who John is? Thank you, John. You got too many fair weather viewers, Bruce. I appreciate your persistence, Uncle Bruce. This is not a bargoon. This is not a boating accident. Go, Brucey. Yippee-ki-yay. GameStop is ripping. You won't see any of this on the news. It's a blackout. Maybe I'll be the troll. We all love the movies. Go see The Free Guy. What's going on, Bruce? GameStop has become one with the moon. Anti-PC, me too. Haha, I just had coffee. It's ridiculous. Hi, all. What did I miss? There's nothing going on. You missed nothing. Go back to sleep. Can't watch, won't stop. GameStop. Woohoo. Joe is busy buying while the price is going up, so he complain when it goes down and they're in the red. That's what he's doing. He's trying to buy it at the high of the day. That's what he's trying to do right now. Robinhood 49.56, AMC 45.65. Looks like Robinhood is. They're talking about GameStop on CNBC. Are they really? Are they talking about it? No, they're not. They're just showing the chart. They're not saying anything. They're showing the chart because they got nothing to say. Hope everyone's doing well. Have a good day. Now I'm having a great one. I will only say it again. If I'd been around to buy at 5, I would own the world. All right. I'm officially worried about my 9.3 195 covered call. I wouldn't worry about it. No, it's stock's down to 214 now. It's dropped off $11. So I wouldn't worry about it. Shade, smile. No names. I'm not selling until it's 1,000. My first covered call option. The price rockets right after. Shush, everyone. No way, he says NDPC. 44.92 on AMC. Down. It's now up 8.14. It's backed off $2. GameStop 213 right now, 214. It's come off about $10, 215, but that's okay. It's gonna do this. It has to do this. It's got to do this. Otherwise, it's not normal. 215.33 on GameStop. What fun. What can I say? 215.40 on the GameStop. SoFi price target. Where are we at? 14.88. Go SoFi. Matterport 14.67, up 70 cents. We're moving up there nicely. 23andMe up to 8.77, up 48 cents. Fifth Wall up 63 cents to 12.27. Vector up 68 cents to 11.75. Spire up 48 to 8.83. It's been holding nicely. Sextera up 27 to 8.37. IBM up 31 cents. Even IBM is up. The Dow is up 91. S&P up 12. We got NASDAQ up 81. Laugh out loud, there's speeches. 9 million GameStop volume. Key Viva GameStop. Let's go. Why the face did it just spike? I'm loving this. GameStop's going to pass SoFi in volume today. I'd be pooping my pants if I sold GameStop this week. I'm not selling until I see a phone number. GameStop rips the critical physiological level. Laugh out loud says Benzinga. Going back up. Let's go. 216 on the GameStop. Been away all day. Figured I'd check GameStop waiting for a train, says Farragon. And then this morning finally sold a couple of AMC covered calls. September 1742 for 450 strike now. I'm crying, and I'm dying. 42s, they're only barely in the money. You'll be fine. You're going to be fine. You'll be fine on that deal. Set your limit at $867,503. GameStop 214 on the stock right now. Volume on GameStop today is 9.1 million shares. Hit a high of 225 today. Right now, 213, 214.12. Ride the wave for 10 days, and your covered calls should be okay if the trend holds to form. If not, well, oops, laugh out loud. There we go. Andy, set your limit at whatever. Here we are. We've got SoFi at 14.85. We have AMC at 44.66. Matterport 14.66. Okay. Very good. Just another typical day in the markets. Not much really going on. Just Dan Patmore. Hey Dan. Bruce. Shout out to the boys in Essex, England, who are holding to the moon. Love the energy. Patsy X, welcome. Cool Hand Lee. I wonder if this is putting pressure on Robinhood. I remember that song. Sorry, Aaron. Comment. Hey, that's my number. Okay. 216.68 on GameStop. and 45.11 on AMC. The Dow's up 85, S&P up 12, NASDAQ up 82. And there you have it. Big battle going on with GameStop pricing. SoFi just needs to tie itself to GameStop a little more. RIP, my covered call 175 for August 27th for 450. I bought yesterday. Mr. Power Hour, let's see how Power Hour behaves. Tommy drops Family Garden. What are AMC and GameStop at? Oh, it's what AMC's popping off. It's now 45.51. GameStop 216.82. Oh my goodness, that's funny. If they only knew. Laugh out loud. My 170 calls are screwed, says Killer UK. I hope this is the final boss level. The game is tough. Jenny T, got your number. I want to make you mine. Jenny, don't change your number. DQ, yeah, it's explaining your inside joke. That's what's going on here. 215.55 on GameStop, backing up a little bit. AMC at 45.58, kind of holding out here. 14.67, up 70 cents on Matterport. 14.88 on SoFi, only 5 cents off the high of the day on SoFi. We're at 3 o'clock Eastern. Normally, I start my show now for the final hour, but we've been on a little early today covering this market. This is the final hour of the market. And we've had a heck of a barn burner of a day here. GameStop is at $214, $215 a share right now, for about $50. Holy moly macaroni. Let's see here. So the 165 and 170s I wrote for September will be exercised for sure. No, not necessarily. You can buy them back right up to the end as long as you're not exercised. So I would sit tight, do nothing, and just let this stock do whatever it wants to do. There will be pullbacks, profit taking, everything else. And I would do nothing at this point in time. Larry, hi, everybody. Martin, the dejected monotone reporting GameStop's run on CNBC just made my day. There you go, the dejected or monotone reporting on GameStop because they don't know what it is. Laugh out loud, critical psychological level for who? Not me, not Ape, says NTPC. You are late, Larry, says DQ. Free thinker holding the best thing since sliced bread. Derek, let's keep these levels up all week. I want my shares to be assigned. Michael, I really want to see SoFi hit 15 today, but I'm still cool with the movement. Motley Fool said GameStop run up because Pfizer got FDA approval. Brian, May 26th, last time we were at over $200, May 26th. Okay, laugh out loud. People selling calls to make a quick buck on the craziest stock ever. No, oh snap, you started screaming early today. I did. The way I see it, GameStop might squeeze to $1,000 to $2,000, but if I sell it for $500 and buy SoFi or Apple January calls, I could make the same amount in the event GameStop keeps oscillating between $200 and $500. See, the difficult decisions one must make. Bill, I would love to listen into what the hedges office is like right now. DraftKings apes make markets. First, one of the talking heads this morning before market open was really bullish on both GameStop and AMC. Don't remember why he was high. I just know he said something about it. Lighten up. Damn, I was going to take a chance this morning and sell my 4,000 SoFi to catch the AMC GameStop wave. I hope SoFi gets a short sell wave. 14.86 on SoFi, just under the high of the day. DQ Wizard is never late, nor is he early. He arrives precisely when he means to. What in the world is happening with GameStop? What's going on? 210 right now. We're off $15 from the high of the day right now. 9 to 5, AMC, AQS, I don't know what that means. Apes would exercise for expiry. We are a different type of investors. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on. Uncle Bruce. So I just learned an expensive lesson in writing 175s this morning. Had to buy him back. I don't know why. Don't know why you had to buy him back. You don't have to do that. The stock's now down to 209. It's come off $16 from the high of the day. Those calls are dropping fast. Don't even have to buy any back. Don't have to buy them back at all. Anyone who has written calls on GameStop, just look at the premiums. You can probably roll out for another week and expiration date for $10 a contract. And by the way, if you bought back your 175s, you should be rolling into 190s or 200s going further out. You should just write more and just take the money back that way. Larry, Titus, did you tell IBM thou shalt not pass 140? Hi, Uncle Bruce. About time us regular listeners can comment. Well, I'm glad you're here, but soon I'm going to switch to members only. Kayla, the word got out that the earnings are going to be coming. Am I the only one that doesn't expect a squeeze ever on GameStop? Not saying it can't run over 500, but I don't expect 1,000 a share. Love it, laughing out loud. Why do people think all stocks squeeze? How about just buying on fundamentals? Dang, 209 apes make markets. We're heading back to 190 before the close. What's with the red candles? Who authorized anyone selling? And I wish 5,700 were possible if it were elevated. 205.18 right now on the stock. That is where we're at right now. We've backed off about $20 from the high of the day so far today, but we've had quite the run, have we not? Such fun. Thank you, everybody, for those of you who are here. All of you members who are here, I love you. Thank you for being members. Those of you who are subscribers, please consider becoming a member and join the comments section here. Love to have you. Those who are just watching, please become subscribers and join the channel, and make sure to hit the bell notification icon. We'll keep you posted on what's going on at all times. Thank you all so much for popping in here and being with us here, watching the fun. We have 384 thumbs ups. Thank you for that. We have 800 people watching right now. If you can spare a thumbs up our way, that would be really nice. We could sure use the momentum of that. We're at 207.27 now on GameStop, down from 225 for the high. Volume on GameStop now is 9.9 million shares. AMC at 43.86, the high of the day, 48.19. We're giving up a little over $4-something a share there, but we're still up 7.17. Volume on AMC today, 174 million shares. Good to see the improvement, but we need much more volume to maintain this kind of pressure and price movement. We're at 206 right now on GameStop, up $41 a share. Those of you who've written contracts, sit tight. Don't do anything. Just sit tight. At the end of the day, if the shares back off with a bit of profit taking, and they can still do more than this, you'll just buy your calls back and roll over into other calls further out, perhaps. That might be the way to go. But right now, let's just see what this is doing. We're having a lot of fun here. Thank you. Let's see here. Appreciate all of you popping in here. It's nice to have you here. Wow, 800 watchers for GameStop right now. We're here watching the GameStop. Thumbs ups if you like making money. So who cares says, so I messed up this morning at 190 covered call. I went to buy the option back to collect premium. I messed up and closed the position, called Webull. They said they would credit my shares back. Okay. Free thinker, the more covered calls you write, the more calls we buy. I'd exercise you early in that break even, just get the shares away from a paper hand. I'd be sweating my nipples off if I sold 175s. Doesn't matter. You get bought out, you turn around, you buy back, you keep writing. It's all fine. It's all fine. It's not a big deal. 10 million shares traded. GameStop is going. We're at 206.22 right now, 205.77, 206.65. We're jumping around right now. And we've had 10 million shares trade today. Very good. AMC 43.57, up 6.79, and looking all right. 14.81 on SoFi. Just can't seem to break the $15 level today. Matterport 14.59, up 62 cents. 23andMe at 8.77 right now. Fifth Wall up 55 to 12.20. Vector up 75 cents to 11.82. Spire up 47 cents, 8.82. Sextera up 43 cents to 8.53. VanEck is unchanged. VanEck Vector is unchanged. Home Depot down $1.30. IBM up 28 cents. Dow up 86 points. Kind of pedestrian. Sounds so quiet out there. Down 150 on Microsoft. Apple up 7 cents. Tesla up $2. Bed Bath up $1.20. BlackBerry up 80 cents. Royal Caribbean up $2.58 at 82.83. We've got Amazon up $45. Alphabet, which is Google, up $30. We've got Cisco up 58 cents. Goldman up 6.71. That's kind of what we're watching here. Robinhood 48.88 up 3.59, and GameStop now 208.52 on a big day today. Today, because Bruce on my GameStop calls, the man is a god. Yep, if I get exercise, I'll just hold that cash till it comes back to that level, preferably low. I'll buy back in. Exactly. It's no worries. Just relax. I don't even know who Miracle Max is. Looks related to Princess Bride. Never seen. Don't know what these comments are about. And I think I was going to have a productive day at work. That's not going to happen. Oh, yeah. We have 826 people watching, 443 thumbs ups. Come on, gang. You can better hit the thumbs up. Please hit the thumbs up button for us. Let's get us over 600 thumbs right now, please. Tell YouTube to send more viewers this direction. GameStop is running. We're running 207.02. AB work. What is work? No, where's the troll? Have a fun day. Okay, now let's focus on AMC squeeze. GameStop is done for now. 43.93 on AMC, up 7.15. 207 on GameStop. Yes, Bruce, yesterday I bought an AMC $39 August 27 call, which is a 560% as of today. I don't want to exercise the contract. I just want the money. What's the best play to exit? Well, you're just going to sell it. You're just going to sell the call when it's time to sell it, when you want to get out. Right now, the stock's at 44.02 on your AMC. It's possible it might have another pop before the end of the day. We still have 51 minutes to go. Maybe she'll pop back to that 48 level, 49 level. You may want to take your profit then. It's up to you. Nice little gain. I congratulate you. You deserve it. I've never seen Princess Bride. What a great movie. How can you not have seen that? Sorry, been gone. We cut COVID, sadly, and have been down, says Amber. It's definitely like the flu on steroids. Good thing I'm vaxxed. Right on, John Van. I should have sold my call. I was up 2,100 minutes ago, sitting around $1,100. The day ain't over. The day ain't over, and your call isn't done yet. You have till Friday. You don't have to do anything yet. Just kind of enjoy the show here. Snake, so my butterfly on GameStop pretty much cooked with this run-up, but I only paid 20 cents for it, and I own shares. Spreads are elite. There you go. Who cares? I didn't get exercise. By the way, I just didn't realize I was closing the position instead of buying the close. Deep value. I made $4,000 today because of Bruce on my calls for the week. Bruce is enlightened. What a trip. Go GameStop. Hey, Bruce, suppose we had 70 million volume on GameStop. Any way to ballpark what kind of price we'd see beyond 400? 70 million, that would be substantial. That would be really phenomenal. That'd be halts. There'd be trading halts. What the heck happened with GameStop? Mallow, I guess if one were to be exercised, one could turn around and start writing puts. That's right. That's right. Amber, wow, breakthrough infection. Sorry to hear that. Glad to hear you are recovering. Glad you are too. We're at 203 now on GameStop, 203, 204. Those of you who've written contracts, they're coming back to you, so keep an eye on those. Wow, breakthrough infection. Sorry to hear that. Absolutely beyond 400. But what if it stayed above the strike price? What if the GameStop kept running from now until September 10? You'd miss on all the profit between 200, your premium 250, wouldn't you? Yes, true. If the stock kept running, yes, of course. But if you find that the shares, back off here and you're able to buy your call back and then rewrite new calls for, say, 210 or 220, you'll enjoy the run up to 220 plus the premium beyond that. Then if the stock backs off a little bit, you buy that call back and right now 240s or 250s and let the stock take you there, enjoy the premium there. And then, sooner or later, the stock will top off and back off and you will score. But right now we're at 202 on the stock, 202, 203, high of 225 today. Hey, we didn't get halted at all. SEC is asleep today. There you go. You're quiet. Don't say anything. Sold 60 shares of GameStop. Sold 60 shares of GameStop last Friday to put down a down payment on a new place. Sitting here looking at that $4,000 I'm missing out on. Yes, that's how this works sometimes. But we don't call stocks to go up $50 in one day either as a normal thing. What are you going to do? 203.61 right now on the stock. 203.04. Yo. Sorry. Amber, yeah, I'm not 8 months out from vax either. My little caught it, but she's doing good too. Gotta write it out and keep it out of your lungs. Uncle Bruce, I wrote a GameStop bull spread September 3 a few days ago. I'm around 60% of my max profit. Max profit is when GameStop is at 165 at expire. I hold, right? It's up to you. You're doing well on this one. If you're at max profit, of course, each day that goes by, you're probably going to gain more because the contracts will shrink, right? But you could always buy back now and take on a new position if you wanted to. It's up to you. That's what you get, paper boy. They say facts. The key is patience. Okay, Kevin. Next time, pay cash, forget payments. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. There you go. What can I say? 1480 on SoFi, 203.68 on GameStop now, 204. ATIP 402, AMC 43.76 up 698. Matterport 14.59 up 62 cents. 23andMe 8.73. Dow's up 75 points. Uncle Bruce, I told you I played with a Goldman Sachs call expiring June 22nd at 580 strike last Friday when GameStop was 392. It's 408 now. And I am up on the call. Nicely done. And you're going to make even more. Just even more. Beautiful. Free thinker, power to the holders. More likes now. SoFi and Matterport looking good. We now have 502 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for helping me out getting over 500. Keep those thumbs ups coming in, folks. We appreciate this. Awful funny how stock explodes and so does your chat numbers. Well, That's the way this world works. When it's something to talk about, there's something to watch, something to go with. Why not? Thank you, everybody, for being here today. Appreciate it. We're at 204.32 on GameStop. I'd love to tell you why. I really would. I'd love to tell you exactly what happened and how it happened. I can't. I can only tell you that the stock exploded. It was sitting around, earlier today, it was around, what was it here? 170 around 1140. And it was at 171 at 1219 and 172 at 1225. 175 around 1239. So it started moving up, in that 1 o'clock range. And then it just popped, and it's been, up to 225 today. Quite amazing. Late to the party. Any reason why Chinese stocks are up today so much? You know what? Anyone buying them you're nuts. You're out of your mind. Stay away from this stuff. Oscar Voss, thank you for this 777 donation. I appreciate that very much. It's awfully kind of you. All SPACs are green today. Indeed they are. Bruce, you know what happened. More buyers than sellers. There's that too. Bruce generates millions of dollars for us. I'm trying. Here we go again, baby. Here we go again. 207 right now on GameStop. Yeah, I took a real shot there and kind of kept on going, and movement begat more movement. SoFi 1481. SoFi has been SoFi King low. I was able to average down to 1397. All stocks seem like they are up today. Back to school, and people are yodeling their scholarship money maybe. I told you lunchtime would go up, but damn, I didn't know this would happen. 208.12, up $43 on the day today. 208.86 on GameStop. AMC now 44.97, up 8.19. We have 45 minutes to go in the day today. I was expecting another little run now. I don't know if we'll reach the highs of the day, but a little recovery run for now would have been in order. 209 now on GameStop. So, John Van, your contracts are going up again. So watch the ride here. A rising tide lifts all boats. Ryan Cohen will generate millions of dollars for me. I'll be as patient as I need to be. Laugh out loud. SoFi King, higher volume. GameStop and AMC charts are fraternal twins. Yep, they are up about $8 on AMC, up 43 on GameStop, 208.86 on GameStop right now. There's a headline. GameStop stock rockets towards biggest gain in 5 months. That's the headline. No reason why. That's all I've got. I have nothing else to go on to tell you about. No idea. GameStop 207.40, 207.03. AMC now 44.41, up 7.63. Matterport 14.61 and 23andMe 8.75, and SoFi 14.82. Hoping for SoFi to reach $15 and beyond. Farragon, what's good for the goose is good for the gambler. Agreed, DQ. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out, and enjoying this run. 207.88 on GameStop, now 208.21 at this moment in time. Still no news that I can tell you about anywhere on GameStop. I have no official news, no press releases. I got nothing. I got nada. So now I see on Motley Fool something being said here. I'm not sure if I can read this. GameStop's up on heavy trading volume. That's great. And that's it. GameStop. There's no news. They're just saying it's up. That's it. They're not saying why it's up because they don't know. They have no idea why it's up. It's just up. 208 on the stock right now. 44.85 on AMC, up 8.07. There you are. That's it. Should I sell my AMC now? What should I do? Where are all the trolls today? They bought high, sold low, and then they're down now. Still down 215K on SoFi. I will wait though. Still waiting. 14.82, up 41 cents today on SoFi. 207.24 on GameStop. AMC 44.47, up 7.69. That's where we're at. 42 minutes to go. Then the day is done. Secret sauce or coincidence? GameStop runs in 3-month cycles: 224, 524, 824. Check it out on the daily chart. Like I mentioned last week, GameStop's going to 270 starting today. There's the prediction. John, I'm so jacked out for after hours. There you go. Exactly. Oh man, 204.05 on GameStop right now. 204.05. Oh my goodness! What a run! The folks at Superstonk felt the time to buy in more. Then day traders and FOMO buyers to do the rest. Donnie, thank you, Donnie. Charles Payne hinted that he bought AMC and GameStop today. My last two purchases on Friday were GameStop and Rocket Lab. That equals the moon. I just happened to buy two contracts today for AMC, up 350% today. Nice. GameStop just passed SoFi volume. The next GameStop short squeeze fund will be, it will fund in the domino line, maybe toppling. John, bleed the hedgies. That boy Louis, Uncle Bruce barely posted the bid saying it can go past 200 and higher. And here we are, 204.28 right there is where we're at right now, 204. That is the story. AMC 43.89, up 7.11. And we have a 14.84 price on SoFi. We're just below the highs of the day. We're up 89 on the Dow. We're up 13 on S&P. We're up 90 on NASDAQ. So should I sell AMC today and buy it back at 33? I can't answer that question for you. I do not know. It's up nicely, and if you've made a nice profit, you can take it. But you have to decide whether you want to wait this out. Stocks do go up and down, and it might back off, but it might not. I can't tell you. John Van, 11.3 million in volume on GameStop today. We woke up the market, didn't we? And we sure did. The market really woke up today on this one. Oscar says hold. Sparky, Reddit user Sinran posted a due diligence about futures expiration every 90 days and big GameStop run-ups in the preceding weeks. Predicted a big price increase over this week and next week. John Van says I'd hold. There you go. We're at 204.52, 204.25 right now on GameStop. There we are. The AMC will go up in the after hours, says Oscar. Deep value. You should not buy AMC during the pandemic as a gamble, but nothing more. You should not buy AMC during the pandemic as a gamble, but nothing more. I don't know what you kind of contradicting yourself there, Deep. 203.44, 202.94 on GameStop. It's backing up a little bit more now. Just a little more of a backing up here. 43.35 on AMC right now. 43.31, 202.81 on GameStop. I want to scream boats and hose, but my neighbors might think I'm crazy. Suddenly, September 10 seems like a lifetime away. This is so weird. Hang tight and just enjoy the ride, folks. That's what I can tell you. What a run today. 202.70, high of 225 on the GameStop today. Quite amazing. Hey, Bruce, are we supposed to do anything option-wise to take some profits on some of these SPAC, post-SPACs, or do we just chill today? Your SPACs, post-SPACs, chill today. Just let them run. Let them go higher. That's what they're going to do for a while. There's a few of them undervalued right now. John Van, do it. They already know. AMC isn't about fundamental supply. It's about the squeeze while it's gaining ability to exercise new fundamental. Okay. 201 now on GameStop, 202, 201, roughly in that neighborhood now on GameStop. AMC 42.92. 552 thumbs ups and climbing, Bruce. Thank you, everybody, for the 554 now. 554 thumbs ups. Thank you for helping out this channel. The thumbs ups really are important to us. We really love to get them. Hit that thumbs up button for us. That would be beautiful, everybody. Appreciate it. 202.25 on the GameStop right now. So far, that's what we're showing. GameStop says the headline says it's the highest price in 5 months. No press releases from the company website. The company not filing the Securities and Exchange Commission. So this is all happening for whatever reason it's happening for. There is no news. There is no guidance as to why the stock is doing as well as it's doing. We're happy, but we don't know why it's going. Remember, RC said to buckle up. John Van, done. Rasham Joshi, thank you for becoming a new member of this channel. Love the new members, guys. Thank you for joining in. It's great to have you here. Oh yeah, that wasn't to you, Bruce. It was to someone else. No problem. Welcome. I went to AMC last night to see Free Guy. Only 4 people in the auditorium, including me and my friend. Oh my gosh, yikes! Welcome, Rasham Joshi. I can't pronounce this. RJ, welcome, RJ. That's what I'm going with. 203 on the GameStop. AMC at 42.78. It's still up $6, but it is backing up. 203.06 on the GameStop shares right now. Oscar says, welcome. Train at the station. See ya in a bit. Whatever. Larry, when I do that, the other two people always sit right in front of me. When I go to a theater, there's only 4 people. They sit right in front of me. 204.97 right now on GameStop. A little bit of a pop here. We have 36 minutes to go before the day is done. And we'll see how these shares want to react. 14.82 on SoFi. Come on, SoFi. Give us a shot. We want a shot. Mohammed, Uncle Bruce, I did the butterfly call strategy. 155, 60, 65. Can I sell to close my 55s and 65s and leave the 60 for later? Not 100% sure how you do it. I don't know. You might literally close out and then buy back the 160s right away. You might just want to do that. But I don't know for sure. Uncle B hit the buzzer. Uncle B hit the buzzer. Oh, on GameStop. Can I do this? Where's the buzzer? Here we are.
That was easy.
There we go.
That was easy.
I'm waking Jen up. She's napping over there. She's getting mad at me now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 204.01 on GameStop. Matterport, almost 15 with low volume. Good sign. That's true. I made $8,000 out of those. I want GameStop to be the same price as the number of likes on this video. Hit the likes, please. Bruce is Keith Gill's brother. There you go. Keith and I, we're from way back, you know. The different brothers from a different mother. How about that? Buzzer. That was easy. Glad the buzzer wasn't already packed. Heard this from someone I trust that's been in on GameStop since the end of last year. For what it's worth, $400,000 out of the money puts. $400,000 out of the money puts expire this week and mounting. Failure to deliver. My smooth brain is trying to understand all this. GameStop 104 seems to be holding. Can't make its mind. I see it at 106 now. Play Yoko, Uncle Bruce. Just a little. Play Yoko. Man logged on this morning and only a few thumbs ups pre-market, and this afternoon a few hundred thumbs ups. Tough crowd. Uncle Bruce, daughter says hi. Hello there to the daughter. Thank you. Pate Austin. Uncle Bruce, I bought 20. Goldman's GS 6 17 22 600 calls for 229. Thanks. Way to go. Nice job picking up those calls on Goldman Sachs older brother. There you have it. Easy money anti-gen. There you go. 208 on GameStop. It's popping a little bit right now. 208. A little bit of a pop-up. AMC up to 43.51. It's popping just a little bit here. 43.51. We have 24 minutes left in the day. 34 minutes left in the day. Pardon me. 34 minutes to go. Larry, DQ. Uncle Bruce's move won't really sink until I see the Weber grill disappear. Brandon, SoFi, ETF, SFYF has second highest GameStop in ETF allocation at 4.8% of their fund, and that will be doing well today. NTPC is laughing out loud. 206 now on GameStop. Pop back a little bit again. Jumping around just a tiny bit right now. There you have it. 76-point gain on the Dow, holding all day. Up 12 on S&P. Up 91 on NASDAQ. We're up $2 a barrel on oil, 67.75. DQ, Larry, but the lack of mugs is still getting me. Yeah, we're packing. We're packing up. We're becoming nomads. I'm going to be hitting the road here with Jennifer. We're selling our house here in Creston. We're leaving town. We're going to be traveling out of suitcases, and I'll be doing this show on the road all the time. Oh, are we going to have fun? You guys are going to be going everywhere, man. I know we're all happy, but these small cap stocks are capable of so much more. This is nothing. I know we've only just, this is nada. Exactly. These stocks are going to do a lot more than this. Sextera up 45 cents to 8.55. Spire at 49 cents to 8.84. Vector up 78 to 11.85. Fifth Wall up 50, 12.14. 23andMe up 44, 8.73. Matterport up 65 cents, 14.62. AMC up 6.68 to 43.46. ATIP up 9 to 4.01. GameStop 208.04, 43.15 gain. SoFi 14.82 up 39 cents. Robinhood up 3.61 to 48.90. How about that? Uncle Bruce, why does the covered call I wrote show as a loss in my account? It shows a 232% loss from the 940 premium I got. I know it's the difference of the cost of the contract, but I haven't actually lost that money. That's true. You haven't lost the money. Only if you buy it back at that price will you lose that money. But if you then turn around and write a new contract, maybe a little longer out at a higher premium, you'll get that amount back, the total amount back that you just wrote that you bought this. But you don't have to do that. You're also in a position where you can just let this ride and wait until expiry, and then buy it back at book value or very close to book value, if that's what you're going to do, or let it be, or exercise, let the stock be exercised. But it'll show that as a, I don't know if it's a courtesy, but as an indication of the value differential between the market and your contract as of this moment in time. This is not your final number, though, obviously. Anyway. I'm going to sell my house too and just travel. Uncle Bruce, travel show on the road. Opening song for the show must be a Yoko song. Uncle Bruce, can you share your thoughts about Citadel getting $500 million back from Melvin? Melvin must have been in a position to be able to pay it. Melvin probably made some money back doing whatever trades. They could hand him back $500 million. I'm assuming maybe that was the deal. I don't know. Does Jen know she's going to be in the tight quarters in a car with you for long periods of time? Does she have any idea? It's her idea. It's her idea. Amber. Ooh, I'm going to be in tight quarters with her, she says. Then when you think them losing $500 million is why GameStop's spiking? I have no idea that that's truly happening. Gurus, what has changed about Goldman Sachs to make you think it's going so much higher? There hasn't been that much movement on it in the past. The stock's trading at about 7 times earnings. Their earnings are surging. The next quarter coming up, they'll have another record quarter. The shares are going to trade at about 10 to 12 times earnings, I think, a year from now. And just based on the current earnings, those kinds of multiples, this is a $700 stock. So it's way underpriced, way underpriced. They are now buying back stock. They're increasing their dividend. This is going a lot higher. That's why I like it. DQ, it shows your unrealized gain loss if you close your position. It's just like the stock. It's just an unrealized gain or loss. That's right, that 230% number. Right. Hey, y'all, don't forget that VACQ is changing over to Rocket Lab tomorrow. Probably won't be able to do options, just shares tomorrow. Act accordingly. Jen rocks. Is it possible for SoFi to fund OnlyFans and saving us all? 209.50 on GameStop. 210 on GameStop. It's coming back up a little bit here. SoFi 1483. AMC 4411, a little better. We're 29 minutes away from the close now. Tight quarters and Cheese Whiz Bagels. Good luck, Jen. Good luck to you on that. Oh my gosh, good luck. It's not like I'm going to eat the bagels in the car, you know. I mean, we're going to have a place to stay here. So Uncle Bruce, touchy subject, by the 1119 ATIP call I got, sitting at $8 off from $250. I bought it at. My thought is to reevaluate around 10-15. Am I on the right track here? You have November calls, and you're wondering what you're going to do, and you're going to kind of reevaluate around October 15. That could be, yeah, it could be it. Of course, if the shares do a pop in the meantime, that will make it easier. Should I jump into VACQ before it merges? I don't know if I should jump in now or wait to see what happens when it changes to Rocket Lab. I'm just getting options. I don't know. You know, those who know now, they know now. But the Rocket Lab name will be exposed a lot now going forward, starting tomorrow. So there could be a bit of a lull and then a run, but you know, I can't tell you, man. I just cannot say. B Fitz, be careful. You're playing against professionals. Dana, oh my God, just came back from a walk on errands and I'm up over 45 on GameStop. Oh wow, I was up 10 or 11 up when I left. Now I'm up 45. It's looking good. 208 on the stock right now. Hit a high of 225 today. Looking fine. Let's see. Well, it was like all the previous ones. Wait. Let's see. I got to go run more errands. That Dana, you got to go run more errands. Just get out there and just go for a walk. 208 on the stock right now. What can we say? Everyone's having fun here. 43.74 on AMC. It looks like we're topping out again on AMC. We had a little rubber recovery, and now we're topping. 208 on GameStop. Not sure if we're going to get a late rally on this or a late sell-off. I can't tell you. Get it, Forrest. If there is any options play for GameStop, for Goldman, are there any you like? I do. I like long-term. I like them next year. So even next June would be good. And if you can get them as close to the money as possible, fantastic. All depends on your budget, how much you got, how much can you afford. Obviously, if you can buy them in the money, even better, but that's, much more money. But, you can be $40, $50 ahead of the stock for next year, summertime. You can do that. Yeah, I like Goldman. Brandon, yes, Yoko theme song, even if he has to pay for the royalty rights for an entire song library, how much could that cost? $10? Get out of here, says John. Hilarious. To me, it seems like these SPACs get their burst out of the gate, and then the hoopla dies down, and they come back into the SPAC price for merger below. I mean, so that's what I've seen. Well, you've been looking at a select group of stocks, and you think what you think. The Auntie's laughing. John, both going to go up a bit, then going to rip. Thanks. Amber says thanks. Amber, I buy a bit and then watch the stock. Almost all of the SPACs have dropped after merger. When it falls, I buy the dip and add more. It's worked for me. DQ, I always have options underwater for every GameStop run. It takes away from a bit of the fun. A good day for all gamblers out there. John, this is early January. This is awesome. 207 right now on GameStop. 207.57 right now. 43.68 on AMC. The Dow is holding a 61-point gain. We've got 26 minutes to go. S&P up 11, and we've got 86 points gained on the NASDAQ. Good idea, Cam. That's what I was actually thinking. Deep thought. Thank you, Bruce. Seriously, you changed my life. Thank you for everything. Words will never be enough. Just send money. That's all. That's fine. 206.60 on your GameStop right now. 43.40 on AMC. Thank you, everybody. 14.61 on Matterport. 8.73 on 23andMe. 14.82 on SoFi, holding its own. To be fair, I noticed Coinbase did the same thing. Hood too. I think the hype buys in makes their profit and sells. Oscar, thank you for the super sticker. Oh, you are awesome, man. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Laughing out loud. Roll thumbs up. Hey, when you say Goldman is a $700 stock, you expect it to hit that by June? I think next year the stock will be $700. Yeah, that's what at around 7 to 7.5 times earnings. Yeah, this is ridiculous. JP Morgan is trading at 10 to 12. Other bank stocks are trading at higher multiples. This is way underpriced. Way underpriced. I mean, I wouldn't be afraid to call it a $900 stock, but I'm being conservative to say 700. Now, if I'm wrong, it only goes to 600. You should still make money, I would think. There you go. That's just my opinion on it. What is the flesh infection? Jeez, what is that? 208.95 on GameStop right now. 208.66 on the stock. Oscar's laughing. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's hit that like button. Send Uncle Bruce on a YouTube rocket here. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. Sounds like what I told my grandparents, what I wanted for Christmas. Just send it. Yippee! I could totally see that. Michael, Spire Global, Mantle Labs to offer satellite-based crop updates, agriculture risk assessments. Spire Global, it's a winner. Mike, this partnership will also help farmers by providing them advanced warnings on crop health, weather, and pest and disease activity to help them to prevent losses, Spire said in a prepared statement. John Van, flesh and fiction. That's when you've been poking around and running holes. Dave Taylor, super sticker for you. Thank you, Dave. You're awesome, man. Flesh infection, when fever's gone, but itchy. Hungry, so eat brains. Tasty, itchy, scratchy, whatever. Just did a bear spread on Hood. Hope it pays off. David Taylor, another super sticker. Thank you, Dave. Thanks, man. GameStop 208.92, 209.35, AMC 43.89. $7 gain on AMC today. About a $44 gain on GameStop today. 14.80 on SoFi right now, up 38 cents. Matterport 14.59, 23andMe 8.71. The Dow up 47 points, coming in with 22 minutes to go right now. I like it when we're all green. Everyone's nicer. Great day, everybody. Flesh infection, rocking that PlayStation OG Resident Evil jewel case art, box art. I want to know who painted that. There's no way he'll GameStop runs up tomorrow. Uncle Bruce says yesterday. There's no way. That boy Louis, CYXT and SoFi going to the moon. $5 donation. Thank you, that boy Louis. You're awesome, man. Thank you, Dave. You rock, Bruce. Making every trading day awesome. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Amber, the beauty of human nature. We might hit 14 million volume on GameStop today. Where is the troll? Where is this guy? The max profit you could make doing the butterfly strategy is if the stock ended up at the same strike price when you bought, correct? When you write, whatever you write the calls for, that's your magic price. So if you're writing $210 calls on GameStop and you're buying a 205 and a 210, or 205 and a 215, and you're writing the 210, the 210 number is the number. Yeah, let's see here. If Flesh Infection could somehow track my location, I'm moving to Creston. Amber, true, Bama babe, true. Oh man, 212.89 on GameStop, 213 on GameStop, coming back up a little bit right now. And Matterport 1457, AMC 4472, a little better right now. We have 21 minutes to go. I got to handle some routine business. 1, why the face? 2, IBM. 2, Bruce is a shill for a bagel empire. There it is. Deep value investing, $4,000 up today, Brucey. Hungry Grizzly, £5. Shout out from the lurkers. Thank you, lurkers out there. Appreciate that. A Hungry Grizzly is not a member of the channel, but is a lurker, and I thank you, lurkers. Who those of you who watch, you can always make a comment if you make a donation. Of course, I thank you profusely for donations. Obviously, thank you, guys. Amber, GameStop just broke 213. It's at 213 right now. It is GameStop 213. AB is probably the most conservative and simultaneously simultaneously profitable stock at the moment. Goldman Sachs. Conservative simultaneous. It's just a good stock. Yeah, Goldman Sachs is a winner, and you can't go wrong buying calls for next year. Go out there and buy. Go forth and multiply. 211 on GameStop, just to tease us now. 211 on GameStop, but it did get to 213. Yes. AMC 4428 up 750. We have 20 minutes left to go in the day. We're up 42 on the Dow. We've been slumping now for the last half hour on the Dow. We're up 9 on S&P. We're up 82 on NASDAQ. We're up $2 on oil. And that's where we're at right now. Okay, that's where we're at right now. 211.48 on GameStop. Cheers, everybody from around the world who are joining me today. Hope you're having a good day. I hope you're richer today, especially with your GameStop shares. We love that. We love it when the stock goes up, no matter what. Let's see. Put a crowbar in your wallet and pull out $10 and join us lurkers, says Drops Family. Nice. It looks like we're all winning, laughing out loud. I was looking at different covered call sale to open for a short period of time with high percentage likelihood for profit. I've noticed that there is a big difference in Apple versus Salesforce and Tesla. You are correct. John Van Lord, I hope it's a $300 Friday today. Friday coming up. Oscar, cheers. John Van, I don't know what that means. Cheers. Thank you, everybody. 211 on GameStop right now. It's had quite the day today. A little more than perhaps we anticipated, but it's been a good day. 210.81 on GameStop. Is everyone rich yet? Asks VapoRub. How about that? Thank you for those of you who have been going to my website, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. Those of you who've been going there and you've been checking out the classes that we have now posted. We have 10 lessons that are up now. You can watch any one of them one at a time. You don't have to buy all 10 in one shot. You can watch whatever class you want. They're not necessarily in sequential order, although people like to watch 1 to 10. You'll learn all about option writing. You'll learn all about spreads, butterfly spreads, credit spreads. You'll learn about how to write options and everything else. So check it out. Hope you like it. Uncle Bruce, was there an announcement between GameStop and BBY? Can anyone confirm? I have not heard anything about anything. 209 on GameStop. Joining late. Any news on GameStop? What's driving the rip? Rodrigo, nothing going on. It's a very quiet day today. We're only up $44 a share in GameStop. There's nothing happening. It's just calm. It's crickets. Go back to sleep. It's okay. No problem. Everything is fine, my friend. Welcome to the show. Next Friday, 300 calls for GameStop. Going for a grand. Let's hope so, John Van. Mohammed, thank you for this donation. Thank you for the answers. Uncle Bruce, thank you. Thank you for being here. I love it. Maria, why the big difference in premium? Why? A little dirty at the moment, hopefully filthy rich soon. Option premiums are about volatility, and Apple is not volatile. There you have it. We do cover this kind of stuff also in the classes. If you get a chance to check them out, just enjoy them one at a time, and you can watch them as many times as you want. And thank you, everyone. Why? More thumbs ups for Bruce. No regrets here. How are we doing for thumbs ups now? Oh my god, look at that. 694 thumbs up. We're going to break 700 thumbs ups here. We might get 750 thumbs ups here. Thank you, everybody, for hitting that thumbs ups button with the $211 GameStop today. Thank you, all of you, for coming in with those thumbs ups. There it is, 696 now. We're about to hit 700 thumbs ups right here. This is awesome. 706, baby. Right through there like a hot knife through soft butter. 713, you got to love this. 212.94 on GameStop. 212.94, climbing again. To think there are days you're struggling for 200 thumbs ups, and then today. Uncle Bruce, is there a reason why hedge funds battle against each other? Aren't they taking higher risk for one side to get crushed? They're trying to make money. It's nothing personal. We're all just trying to make money. The Bruce is loose, says Michael. Butter. It's all like hot knife through soft butter here. GameStop 211, 212 right now on GameStop. AMC 44.47. Matterport 1454. ME 870. ATIP 402. SoFi 1478. Robinhood 4911. That's what we got going. Oh, gee. Original Gangsta, GameStop gang. What is up? Yippee-ki-yay. Uncle Bruce, that's a movie quote. What movie? P.S. Your Jen is in it. Can we expect to get wrecked in the aftermarket? I don't expect so. Thumbs up, says Michael. Damn it, Jim. Go. GameStop, go. 212.17 on the GameStop with 15 minutes left to go in the day. As we're coming into the final 15 minutes, 44.61 on AMC, up 7.83. And Dana says, Kayla, you're here. All right. 212 on GameStop today. $212 a share. Holy moly macaroni. We got us a day going here, don't we? Justo. $213.99 going for $214 now on GameStop. My favorite Uncle Bruce person. Neat. That will Louis. We meet again, says British Shilling. We are at 213.97, 213.64 on GameStop. What is up? Good to see you. Hello, everyone, and everyone, hello. Nice to have you here joining us for the last 15 minutes of today's trading session, as we are watching one humdinger of a day here today. 44.70 on AMC. Who's this? A new member, Moose Knuckles 45 has joined the gang, the exclusive gang of members of this channel. Thank you, Moose Knuckles 54, for popping in here and joining us. It's nice to have you. Hopefully you're making lots of money following what we're doing here. Let's hope so. It's all nice to see you folks here. Today we are winners. John Van, we're going to 350. Uncle Bruce, do you think GameStop can split anytime, but I don't expect it here, but yes, someday. 213, 214 a share right now. Bruce, if GameStop continues to increase 2 to 5%, would that not be enough to offset the time value drop, or would the contracts continue to increase in value rather than getting closer to the out of the money again? As time goes by, they will shrink their time value to book value only. That is the inevitable end of the contract. At the end of it all, it trades at book value only. That is the deal. Uncle Bruce, I cheated on the bagel with an English muffin. How could you? What's up, Original Gangsta? Welcome, Moose Knuckle. Hi, Auntie PC. 213.95 right now. Laugh out loud, accept all variety of Knuckles. Moose Knuckles, laughing out loud. OMG, oh my goodness, your shoes, Gail, so cool. Deep value, new GameStop, Bruce hedge funds, zit and thumbs ups. Moose Knuckles, Moose. Kayla are the shoe extraordinaires for sure. Welcome, Moose Knuckles. Uncle Bruce, correct me if I'm wrong. Bear put is better than bear call, right? Bear put has no margin requirements. Similar profits. I'm not 100% sure. I gotta think about that. It depends on the value of the contract you're writing versus the cost of the one you're buying. So keep an eye on that. Hello, everybody. Having a spectacular day with AMC and GameStop. Right on. I like Moose Knuckles. It's just fun to say. Damn it, leaving entire words out of sentences. Joe, Uncle Bruce, I didn't have a badge this morning. Now I don't plan on having one the rest of the week. I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little superstitious. I don't know what's going on here. How many times can he say, that? How many times can he say that? Gamma? 212 on GameStop, 212.70 on GameStop, up $47 a share. We're at 44.44 on AMC, up 766 right now. It's not even Friday, says Dana. Moose Knuckles, those are snack-like bear claws. Let's see. Who would have thought the only red for me today would be an Apple? A little more than 2 weeks away from GameStop earnings report. This could be the reason for the jump in price, question mark? You think? Maybe? No idea. We don't know. We have no actual reason here. We don't know. We just don't know. Sorry to hear that, says British Shilling, says sorry to hear that, says Dana. It's all right. Anyway, Moose Knuckles are a snack I personally wouldn't partake in. Not even take a gander if I could help it. I wouldn't even look at that. Alrighty. 212.55 with 11 minutes left to go in the day. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to make dinner. GameStop should take a shot now because I'm going to make dinner. It's just going to go straight up. 44.42 on AMC, up 764. GameStop 212.98. 213.17. That's where we are. Uncle Bruce, I took profit from GameStop at 205. If you had to pick, would you wait for a dip and buy back, or should I take my winnings and put it towards SoFi April 22 contracts? There you have it. You've got to decide for yourself what you want to do. It's your call. It's your money. I can only explain to you in plain English what's going on and how it's looking, but you got to figure this one out. What works for you, my friend? What can I say? Let's go. Bruce, I still made $60, even though I'm out of the price target for my GameStop butterfly strategy. Should I close and run for my money? Well, if you took the money off the table and said thanks, great. You could then turn around and make a new position up here if you wanted to. It's just a question of the spreads and the credits. But that's the beauty of a butterfly spread. You're as far out as you are, you're still up money. Nice, huh? Nice going. God bless Uncle Bruce. All is forgiven for ATIP. Very jappy today, or very happy today, says Michael M. Happy. Joe, hey, Bruce, I wanted to thank you. My weight is currently up 20% year to date from bagels and cheese whiz. You're welcome. I kind of finally put some meat on your bones, get you prepped for this winter. You're not going to freeze this winter. You're good. It's no more shakes. SoFi equals winnings. Laughing out loud for some. 14.76 on SoFi, up 34 cents. GameStop 212 right now, 214, 212.88 right now. The Dow's only up 27 points. We're giving up some ground here. Still up 7 on S&P, and we're up 75 on Nasdaq. But the Dow is definitely giving up some movement here. We're still below the all-time high on the Dow. We're not at record high territory right now. Still behind that at the moment. 212.02 on GameStop right now. Bruce, I have a little over 1,000 shares of Boeing. Would you suggest holding long term? Boy, I would be writing call options on those, but I'd be writing ahead of the money a little ways, and short term, take in income any way you can, and just be paid to hold those shares. That's probably what I'd be recommending to do if I were holding them. If you're a long term believer in the company, the company's not going under. The question is, well, how will the shares do? It can't go much worse for Boeing these days. So you may want to write covered calls, but don't be too close in the money. Be further out. Just my hunch there. 210 on GameStop. 210.18 right now on GameStop right now. 44.17 on AMC. Matterport 14.53. 23andMe 8.74. 14.78 on SoFi. Okay. Come on, markets. Fifth Wall up 42 cents to 12.06. Vector up 57 to 11.64. Spire Global up 41 to 8.76. Sextera up 46 cents to 8.56. And IBM is up 18 cents, defying all logic. Even it's up. Birdie, thank you. You're welcome, sir. Thank you. 8 minutes left till the bell. Gonna end a good day for me, hopefully. Yes, we are. 7 minutes to go. Boeing equals play crash. That's not nice to say. 207.51 on the GameStop shares right now. Uncle Bruce, what's going on? GameStop's going crazy, isn't it? 207.46, backing off a little bit from the 225 high. We know how this stock works. We know how these shares fluctuate in price. 43.73. AMC is backing up a little bit too at the bell here, coming in a little lower. 207.78 on GameStop right now. We'll see how this plays out. Without news, without enough volume, it can't hold the price. It's good to see 13.7 million shares trade on GameStop. It's great. But this is not 25 million shares. This is not enough to maintain these kinds of prices for long. Bang in the close, says Carlos. 6 minutes to go. Looking forward to SoFi at $210 on SoFi. Okay, cool. 14.74. Got a ways to go, but that'd be kind of nice. Sure, that'd be a good trade. That'd be a nice SoFi. 207.46 on GameStop right now. 29-point gain on the Dow, 6 on S&P, and 72 on NASDAQ. That's what we have right now on the markets as we're coming into the last 6 minutes. Day traders and paper hands Portnoy selling before close. There's flipping going on, and there will be. That's what happens with these markets. GameStop, 207.91, 207.51 right at the moment. Yep, jumps for no reason and drops for no reason, just waiting patiently for the rocket takeoff. My covered call of 185, 200, and 250 are in dangerous territory. Not to worry. The stock is backing off for you right now. Uncle Bruce, I think I want to lean towards buying SoFi options. Would you recommend January, or would it be worth going further out to April? Well, I would be, the longer the better, obviously, but the closer into the money, the best. A. Fryer, any word on the potential stock split for GameStop? What's your opinion, Uncle B? Haven't heard anything on it. Haven't heard a word on it. Shares are really not high enough to cause a big need for this, but I wouldn't mind it. Love to see a big split. I'll love to see one, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Bought more SoFi using SoFi app. Boom! Flanagan back home had a birthday to attend to. Mine. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Well done. 207.18 to 207.34 on GameStop right here, right now. We're coming to the last 4 minutes. 206.97 on GameStop. Coming down just a little bit here. Nice birdie, Alves, Avils. AMC 43.98. And we're just, coming in quietly at the end here. We're up 30 on the Dow, up 5 on the S&P, up 70 on NASDAQ. Happy birthday, Fargo. Fergan, happy birthday, Fergan. 206.49 on GameStop at this point in time. Okay. 206.66, 206.72. Happy birthday, Fergan. 43.96 on AMC. 3 minutes left to go. 3:55 right there. 3:55. 207.03 on GameStop. Thanks, John Vance's birthday. Amber, happy birthday, Fergan. Maybe 200 is the new floor. And happy birthday. 207.55 now on the stock. AMC 43.95. Let's get rich, says Fergan. Nick, hi, Uncle B. I'm way up on some February 22 call options I have for a stock you don't cover. When is a good time to exercise? There's never a good time to exercise. You don't ever exercise. You sell at a profit. You just sell your calls for a big fat profit and leave it at that. If you want the stock, go and buy the stock on the open market. Don't exercise the contract. It's almost as if the shorts didn't close their positions. I just got MTTR. It's now 14.53 right now, 56 cents. SoFi 14.76 is up 32 cents. DM is shrugging. 207.50 on GameStop right now. How about that? That's where we're at right now on the last 2 minutes of the day. Best Buy up $9.30 a share today, up 8% because Best Buy store numbers were very good. I'll tell you what, I'm so excited I can hang a beach towel right now. Does transferring GameStop shares from one brokerage to another equals the mother of all short squeezes? No more IOUs? I don't know about that. DJ Matterport price target announced at $20 a share by Credit Suisse. We will see. 14.52 up 55 cents on the day for Matterport today. 14.75 on SoFi. GameStop 207.55 right now. 207.55 with a little over a minute to go on the day, coming into the final bell. Stocks losing a little bit of steam at the end here, still up 29 on the Dow. Dana British, so sorry, I had to step away a few minutes, and thank you on the shoes. I put them on yesterday, hoping they bring us some good luck here. Good vibes. Those are killer shoes. Those are killers. VACQ will be my pension. Right on. You did well. We're at 208.08 right now, 207.95, with now less than 2 minutes to go in the day. Let's see. SoFi puts are paying off, boosted by the CEO and CFO bought their own shares on the open market. Right on the SoFi. 1476 right now, 208.65 on GameStop. What a day. What a day. GameStop volume, 14.1 million today. AMC volume today, 220 million today. We got some action here. 210 plus on the close. John Van is saying 210.46 right now. There's a run up to GameStop earnings. Is that planned? Like computer trading determines it's the best strategy? Maybe I mean for blaming Sherman for crashing the price last time. I don't know of any of this stuff. Can't confirm any of these ideas. 210.23, 210.26 on GameStop. We are now in the last 40 seconds of the session. Up $45 on GameStop today. 210.15 a share. 210.23, 210.13. It's like early January. 44.21 on AMC. Down to the last 30 seconds on the day today. 210.32 on GameStop. What a run. 1476 on SoFi, 1454 on Matterport. Wow. Ding, ding, ding. We're getting ready to hit the bells. Here we go. They're clapping. They're jumping up and down about GameStop. See how happy they are about GameStop over there on the channel. 210.58. We are closing it out. Happy birthday, Farragon. What a birthday present for Farragon today. GameStop, 210.58. We are done here. What a day today. It should be fun to see what happens in the aftermarket now with the thin volumes, thin offerings. See what's going on. The only thing that crashed here was naked shorting. 210.81 and a little share dilution. Yes, GameStop going to close at 210. 210.44 in the aftermarket. 210.81 the last trade on the market today. 210.78 in the aftermarket. 211.50. Woo-wee. Oh, we're up in the aftermarket. No surprise there. Wow. Ding, ding, ding. Best day after 1 month. Green, baby, green. Farragon is another Virgo. Maybe I need a drink I'd like more. It would make more sense. What a run today on the stock, kids. We got to love the way this is going. And I think we deserve it. We've been grinding and grinding and grinding here for weeks and weeks and weeks. Congratulations. Those of you who've written call contracts, not to worry. Not to worry. You got to let this stock kind of, air itself out. It went to 225 this morning. We'll see how it reacts tomorrow. You never know. Tomorrow it might give up $15, $20 on the opening, giving you all a shot at taking it back your calls. We'll see. The time will tell. 213 on the aftermarket. Let it run. Let it do its thing. It's all good. Guys, you shouldn't have, says Farragon. Fenville, wow, nice to see the jump in total volume. Absolutely. AB, yeah, but there's no way a human could dump stock that fast. Almost 1,000 likes, maybe 1,000 likes, or a group of humans. I'll be tickled pink when we hit 230. Good luck. Good luck not worrying. Bruce, I'm looking at ATIP 750 calls for December 2022 at 60 cents a contract. The good, bad, and ugly of it. Yeah, I don't know. It's a year from now, right? So it's a a year and 4 months. So lots of time, but it's out of the money. Quite a ways out of the money. If you could buy 250s for this January, you're in the money. If you can buy 5s, you're only $1 out of the money. You might be, might have better leverage there. Yeah, it'll drop down to 150. GG today. Peace. Good going. 777 thumbs ups. 781 thumbs ups. We have 781 thumbs ups today. Thank you, everybody, for helping this channel. 786. Get me to 1,000 thumbs up today, you guys. I haven't had 1,000 thumbs ups in weeks, maybe a month or two. Would love to have that happen. That would be really cool bean stuff. Anyone can do that. Uncle Bruce, can you explain in plain English the difference of initial margin versus maintenance margin? I try to explain it to my parents, but they don't understand it. Well, actually, it's the same thing. It's kind of the same thing. If you buy a stock at $20 and the broker lends you 10, you have to put up $10. So you put up 10, they put up 10, you buy a stock. But if the shares go down to $19, the broker now can only lend you $9.50 per share, but you paid 20 for them. So you borrowed, you had 10, but you now need to have 10.50 of your money. You got to put up 50 cents more per share. That's maintenance margin. That is maintaining the margin account. In other words, the broker will say to you, I will always lend you money against your stock equal to half the value of your stock, not what you paid for it, what it's trading for. So if your account is at $10,000 and you put up $5,000 and the broker lends you $5,000, you're all good. But if the account goes down to $18,000, the broker can only lend you $9,000. Okay, but you actually owe the broker $10,000. You put in 10, the broker lent you 10. Now the broker can only lend you 9. You got to come up with $1,000 so that you're 9 and 9 again. So now you got to come up with cash for $1,000, or you have to sell whatever stock you have to raise enough money to cover the margin. The problem is that if you bought stock, one stock only, say for $10,000, it's margined. You borrowed half the money to buy the stock. You now have to sell stock to pay down the debt. But more stock you sell, the less you can borrow against your account. Because if you're $1,000 under on your margin because your stock went down in value, you're going to have to sell stock off to bring money in to pay down that margin. And you'll have to probably sell over $2,000 worth of stock to cover a $1,000 margin call, because $2,000 in stock means the broker can't lend you money against that portion of the stock anymore either. So you got to sell more stock than you owe them to bring the margin down. So you have to do $2,000 in sales to cover a $1,000 margin call. Well, that means you've given up 20% of your company, 20% of your stock, 20% of your position, and you've dropped it. And so you might even be down more than that, because if the stock has gone down in value, you are selling the stock at a lower price than you bought it at, that you borrowed for it at, and you might be selling, instead of 10% of your or 20% of your position, you might be selling 25 or 30% of your position to cover a small dip in the market. So a lot of brokerage firms will say to you, look, you want to buy $10,000 worth of stock. We recommend, instead of putting in just $5,000, we recommend you put in $6,000. We'll lend you $4,000. So now you have 6, we have 4, there's 10. If the stock goes down in value, you still won't have a margin call. We might not be able to lend you the full $5,000 like we could have before. We might be only able to lend you now $4,800. But the good news, you only owe us $4,000. So you're fine. You have $800 coverage. And that's how margin accounts work. You always want to stay ahead of the margin. Uncle Bruce, can you explain in English the differential? I just did that. Fantastic. Picked up 5 SoFi 15 Januaries and 5 SoFi 17.5 Aprils. Okay. Almost right. 14 million volume. Good call. Go AMC and GameStop to the moon. Maybe I'm giddy on the stocks, hence I make no sense, but it must be Gin O'Clock. GGSDM. Thank you, GameStop. Thank you. Let's see here. How are we doing here? Everyone is happy with the thumbs ups. Bruce, is the reason you don't like crazy far out calls like December 22 is it's just wasteful for taking money off the table, i.e. you don't need to wait that long to make some good money? That's true. You can be you can be 6-7 months out and be at the money or in the money. You'll be fine. You can always roll them over later. Yeah, true. What are we at right now? 209.34 on GameStop, down to $147 in the aftermarket. Less than 1,000 equals Yoko. Wow, turn on my phone while camping in the boonies, and GameStop is on the run. Island Girl is here. Hello, Island Girl. Yes, it hit a high of 225 today. That was a bit too far, too fast, but it did do that. 210 final trade on the day, 209 on the aftermarket. Nice day. AMC had a good day, up 747 to close at 44.25. It had a good day. SoFi had a good day, closed up to 14.76, up 33. ATIP up 8.5 cents. Matterport up 57 cents to 14.54. 23andMe up 47 cents to 8.76. Fifth Wall up 46 to 12.10. Vector up 50 to 1157. Spire up 39 to 874. Sextera up 45 to 855. Even IBM was in the money today, up 18 cents to 139.80. The Dow only went up 30 points today. Yeah, big market for our stocks. Just gave you 2 thumbs ups, one on my phone and one on my television. Now I'm going to go into my desktop. Thank you, Tori. The Credit Savage. Uncle Bruce, I sold 15 SoFi $20 calls for $1 expiry October 2nd. And if I'm assigned, I'm thinking of selling puts with that money for $3 to $5 premiums. Good plan. That's a good plan. Green Day reverse rule. 1,000 likes equals a Yoko dance. Michael, that's why I don't mess with margin. Cash is king. I love Yoko now. She is like the first cigarette or beer or coffee you have as a kid. Horrible, but the next thing you know, you're addicted. Oh no. Margin is good only for day trading, but do not use the buy power. Risky. Moose Knuckles. Hey, Uncle B, I am on Robinhood. I have 500 shares of ATIP trying to sell covered put December 1622 for $750. It won't let me use my shares to cover it. Keep saying $750 per one collateral. Do you know why this is happening? This I cannot answer. I don't know what the problem is with Robinhood. The problem is Robinhood. That is the problem right there. The problem is Robinhood. So I don't know, my friend. Yeah, I don't understand what they're talking. They're not putting 2 and 2 together. They seem to think that you need margin to cover your trade when in fact you are writing shares. But did you enter the order as a open to sell or sell to open entry? Double check your entry. That might be the issue. You might have been just selling to close or something. Make sure you're doing sell to open for writing a covered call. Double check your settings on that. That might be it. Rob, how low do you think they'll push it down in aftermarket trade? Put in the buyer 191 for extended markets. Let's get this stock. 209 on GameStop. I have no idea. I have no idea. British on the gin. Watch out, folks. I might actually make some sense from now on. Today is a Yoko post party. Tori, maybe I need to nap more often. So GameStop, AMD, AMC will surprise me. It's a great wake-up call, Larry, the Yoko for Farragon's birthday. Auntie, laugh out loud. My portfolio was minus 3,000 today. Now I'm up $350. How about that? Bless you, Jen. Yes, a little Yoko, please. Island Girl, is GameStop intense too? Anti-PC money bags. Way to go, Auntie. Wonderful. Jen, get the crud out, man. Yoko, stop playing with your putts. Larry, Titus, don't put Yoko on me, man. Don't do it on me. Fidelity doesn't let me use shares to cover a naked put. It requires a margin account. To use shares, it requires, margin account is probably right. Free thing. Our Robinhood is fraudulent as face and entirely garbage. Glad I don't use them. Michael, take care, Bruce. Nice to see a wine-free day for one. Isn't it great? It's been a good day today. Been a very good day today, and hopefully we'll have another barn burner tomorrow. I love it. What was I going to do? Oh, how are we doing for thumbs ups now? 870 thumbs ups, you guys. Thank you so much for this. We only need 130 more to get 1,000. I don't know if that's possible. I'm not sure if there's enough of you around to get me to 870. 724 here. I'm not sure if enough of you can throw me a thumbs ups today, but that would be cool. 213.30. Ferrigan, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. And let's see, right, Michael, let's look at the SoFi Blues. 213.20 on GameStop, 213.41, up 260 right now. So, it's looking all right. AMC aftermarket is 44.86, up 61 cents right now, a little better. The volume on GameStop aftermarket is only 30,000. Not very heavy. My first vinyl, Don Johnson, Heartbeat. Oh, man, I believe in 1,000. Going higher, folks. Fraudulent as face. Love it. 212, 213.02, 213.0. Cheers, everybody, from Creston, British Columbia, to all of you around the world. Jen and I are about to become nomads. Congratulations. Oh, boy, that was good. I was 7 cents away from having to get the beer bong out on SoFi. If it hits 15, I'm banging a double. Michael, I'm up 200% on GameStop. Thought I'd feel fine, but I'm still down 20% on SoFi. So I got to whine. I got the blues. That's all SoFi holder blues. Okay, Oscar. I think tomorrow is even a better day. Today was only an anticipation of what's to come tomorrow. How about that? You gotta love that. Yes, we've heard. Yes, I've been hearing this. Yeah. Well, they say it's breaking news. Yes, it's breaking. 212.95 on GameStop. On the aftermarket right now, up to 14. AMC aftermarket 44.32, 45.32, up $1.07. So AMC is moving up nicely as well at this point in time. Today feels like a 40 and a blunt day. No one puts Yoko in the corner. Dirty Dancing reference. Free Thinker McJones, we would also accept fraudulent as Florida. Here is to everyone that held GameStop, SoFi. Next, John Van, 214, yes, $214 a share on GameStop right now. Cheers, everyone. 214.29 right now, up 348 on 31,800 shares. Oh, this is my favorite channel ever, says Michael M. Thank you for being here. How are we doing for the thumbs ups? We are now at 906 thumbs ups. We are 94 away from 1,000 thumbs ups. I am begging you guys, find a way, if you could, to hit that thumbs up button for us. We haven't hit 1,000 thumbs ups in a while, and that would be really cool if we could crack 1,000 thumbs ups on the live portion of this telecast. 912 now, 88 to go. They're coming in, and you guys are helping me out greatly. I so appreciate this. Hit that thumbs up button for us. The stock's 214.51 on GameStop, so it's going up. Let's get the thumbs ups. 928 now. Wow, this is great. 72 to go only. Just 72 to go, and we're at 214, 215.33 on your GameStop, kids. Keep the GameStop moving and hit that 1,000 thumbs ups. That would be beautiful. GameStop is going to fight after ours or otherwise. I can't wait for the message after a massive impulse. My 215 GameStop covered calls. GameStop went up 285 in pre-market. Not an AMC guy, but I'm bringing popcorn. Okay. Show Brucey Boy some love. Thank you, everybody, so much. John Van, you still got that covered call? You still own that covered call? Hang in there. Too much attention in whatever. We're hitting 230. I bought a heater for my aquarium today from Chewy. First-time customer. Let's see if the customer service is as good as everyone says. You're going to have to play a little Yoko Bruce. Thumbs ups for your favorite uncle. Still lurking. Thumbs for the lurkers, from the lurkers. We have 949 thumbs ups right now. 51 left to go. This is awesome sauce city. I'll tell you that right now. We have 50 thumbs down. So we're at with 49 down and 951 up. We are actually at 1,000 thumbs right now, but I really would like to get 1,000 thumbs ups. That would be the best of the best. 954, 46 left to get. Oh my goodness, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. 212, 213.28 on GameStop now. How about that? Another 50 thumbs ups. Bruce gets to take a nap. Oh my gosh, yes. I do. Paid 90. It's 11.80. I still got them. Way to go, man. Well, they're now worth 13.30 book value. So they're probably they're probably trading at 14 to 15 when they are trading. So, you open up at 220, 225, 230 tomorrow. You got a $2,500, $3,000 contract. Nice. It's nice. I like it. Where's that troll with 50 accounts? Give up some thumbs ups for attendees. Can GameStop go down to 179 till 910, please? It can rocket upwards later. No worries. It's strange, but a covered put at a short sale of 100 shares of stock. We're writing a put. John Van, throwing thumbs ups. We are away, buddy. We now have 969, 31 to go. 971, 29 thumbs ups left to get. Only 29 thumbs ups. 28 to go now. 28 thumbs ups left to get. We're at 212.55 on the stock, and we're at 28 away from 1,000. This is cool beans stuff. Let's see, where is that? I do have this hanging around right here. I was just thinking, maybe we can play a track if we get 1,000 thumbs ups. How about that? Yeah, let's do that. If we do get 1,000 thumbs ups, I'll put this on. As a matter of fact, as a sign of good faith, I'll even load up the old load up the old turntable. Let's see if we can load this puppy up here. But these thumbs have to come pretty soon because I'm off the air in a couple of minutes. So I don't know if you guys can make it happen. Because normally I'm only on 2 hours at a time, and I've been on an hour and 58 minutes, and I can't wait forever. For these thumbs ups. I'm a man in a hurry. 985 thumbs ups. They're coming in. 985. Wowee. People are getting excited. 986. We got SoFi 213.05. And the House has voted 220 to 212 to advance Biden's spending plans in the House of Representatives. That means this market's going to go much, 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 much higher. Yoko on a dance. How about that? Can we say $100 collectively gets a dance? How much are they going to pay to get a dance today? I want to see your pistols out, Uncle B. Oh, lordy. Glasses on, $9.97. Be sure to pack Yoko up very well with your most expensive china. Make sure to keep it $9.96 on the thumbs ups. Are we just about there? $9.97. Oh, I got to turn on the record player. $9.99. I got to turn it on. Oh, we're going to get Yoko going here. Oh, my gosh. Yoko's going to start playing here. We got 1,000 thumbs ups, kids. 1,000 thumbs ups. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. We got Yoko going here. 1,000 thumbs ups have come in the house. Well, this is the one you can dance to. Yeah, baby. Oh my goodness, it's happening. Crank it up, turn it up. Turn it up so Jen can hear it. Oh, she can hear it. 212.98. Yoko is the gift that keeps on giving. Thanks, SVT Boxer. Thank you. This is Larry's fault. It's Larry's fault. Yoko's like fine wine. We need more Yoko days. I live for this. Thank you, Larry. We got Yoko going today. How about that? How about that? Now we need a couple more good days to keep this thing going. Playing the Yoko album here. Oh my gosh. Yoko on Stock Markets with Bruce. You gotta love it. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh, such fun. Never a dull moment. And it was a good day for a bunch of our stocks today. It wasn't just GameStop. Oh, a whole bunch of stuff went up in value today. We're very happy. Very good day today. Hopefully we'll have just as good a day tomorrow and just keep this thing going. Fabulous, man. You guys come to Washington, I'll really treat you some Yoko. Oh my gosh. The neighbors couldn't be happier that this guy's moving out. Today was stellar. I'm starting to associate Yoko with making money. Oh my goodness. Yoko torture. My ears are melting. What the ever did you do to Uncle Bruce? Man, oh man. Why the face? I didn't hear Yoko playing Why the Face. Oh my goodness. Good day today. We're at 212.46 on the aftermarket now for GameStop. So no complaints there. Thank you for all the thumbs ups. 1,000 thumbs ups plus have come in today. Thank you guys so much for contributing to that. We haven't had 1,000 thumbs ups in a long time. Might have been over a month now. That's pretty cool bean stuff. A whole bunch of you have been watching this show today, and I thank you for that too. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Think about becoming a member. I'd love to have you as a member here. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, we're doing pretty good today. It doesn't hurt when the stock goes up. I will admit to that. Stocks go up. It makes for a good time for everybody. Thank you, everybody, so much. Hopefully this will happen tomorrow too. We'll just keep the run going. Be fine with me, I'll tell you that. Let me see some other markets here. SoFi is up 3 cents in the aftermarket to 14.79. 23 closed at 8.76. No trading in the aftermarket, or is there 200 shares traded? No change. Let's see if anything else is moving anywhere else. I haven't got anything over there. Let's take a look at IBM closed at 139.84. It's 140.01, up 17 cents in the aftermarket apparently. Sextra CYXT is not trading in the aftermarket yet. It closed at 8.55, up 45 today. ATIP closed at $4 today. No, it closed at it closed at 4, and it's trading at 4 in the aftermarket as well, unchanged. Okay. Let's see, AMC at 44.26, final trade 44.78 in the aftermarket on 1.8 million shares. It's trading very well. Let's see, Matterport 14.54 final trade on the day, 14.50 in the aftermarket, down 4. 200 shares traded, nothing much going on there. VACQ, which is Rocket Lab, that'll become Rocket Lab tomorrow, up 3 cents in the aftermarket to 11.60. 6,000 shares traded, so having a good final day there. So there you go. Not too bad. GameStop at 211.23, up 94 cents. 211.98 now, up $1.69. Thank you. 113,000 shares traded on GameStop today. Very good. That is the dealio happening here. So thank you, all of you, for being with me today on this extended show. We started a bit early. And thank you for hanging out. Catch me tomorrow morning, 8:30, 1 hour before the opening. Let's see how this puppy opens up. We got a whole bunch of stuff to watch tomorrow. I'll be here. Come on, join me and hang out with me, and let's have some fun tomorrow. See if we can get you guys a little richer, even richer than today, because you just aren't rich enough. That's the bottom line right there. 211.24 on GameStop. Thank you, GameStop. Let's see what they say, if anything. And let's see what this market can do for us. In the meantime, you take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Make sure to social distance. And we'll catch you tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Time, for more fun in the markets, with the markets in plain English, with your buddy Uncle Bruce. Thank you so much for catching up with me. And let's see what we can do. Let's see what the markets do tomorrow morning, and we'll We'll strategize covered calls and everything else just to see how the market, how it wants to treat us. We'll figure it out. It's all good. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you later. Bye for now.